Good morning children. Welcome to the online class. In this class, we will discuss some of the points before going to do the sums. Generally, to write numbers, we use commas to separate to give some divisions. In that giving commas is different from Indian system to international system. How we will give the commas to the given numbers in the Indian system, we will observe first. Then first we will see in Indian system. In the Indian system, how we give divisions, we will observe first now. From left side, we have to start ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore, 10 crores, like that we will give. Then after 100, one comma, after 1,000, one more, and after lakh. In that way, we will divide the groups. In international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 100 million, and 10 million and 100 million. In this way, we will divide. And the commas also just like this. After 100 one comma, after 1000 one comma. In that way, we will write the number. We will separate. We will divide the groups in this way. And before to start numbers, we know that the single digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, like that we will do. We will write. Every smallest digit number that ends with 0. If we want to write a single digit, smallest single digit, 2 digit number 10 and 3 digit 100, 3 digit 4 digit 1000, like that we will write. The greatest number of digit that end with the 9. It means single digit, double digit, 2 digit number 99, 3 digit 999. Like that, the greatest number of the digit ends with 9. Okay, and next one, the smallest natural number is what is the smallest natural number? 1. The smallest natural number 1, and the greatest and the smallest whole number is 0. It is a natural number, it is a whole number. That means the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whole numbers start from 0 to 0, and that continues like that. That's why we say that the smallest natural number is 1 and the smallest whole number is 0. Smallest whole number is 0. And we should know one more point, that is even numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Even number and odd. Even number and odd. To know the even number, the number which is divisible by 2. We know the second table now, 2 table. So whatever the number is divisible by 2, that number comes in the group of even number. We will see that even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, like this. The numbers which ended with the 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, they will be treated as even numbers. Okay? Then the odd numbers which are not multiples and which are not divisible by 2, that means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are not the multiples of 2 and these are not divisible by 2. So these numbers are called as odd numbers, and the numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they will be treated as a odd numbers. Are you able to understand? Okay. Now we will go into exercises. Take your white notebook and copy down whatever we are writing on the board. Okay. Now open your books. First one, revision exercise. Revision exercise. Before going to the class, we should revise the previous chapters. That's why we are taking revision exercise. First one, what is the first counting? What is the first counting of natural numbers? Of counting number of natural numbers. What is the first count? What are the counting numbers among? That means one natural numbers. Natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So, what is the first counting number of natural number? 1. What is that? 1. What is the answer for that? 1. Second one. What is the smallest 3-digit number? Smallest 3-digit number. What is the smallest 3-digit number? Now only we discussed. Smallest digit number, answer 0. Is it right? Done. What is the smallest 3-digit number? 1 after 2 zeros. Then it will be treated as the smallest 3-digit number. The next one. What is the largest? What is the largest 3-digit number? What is the largest 3-digit number? Smallest number ends with zeros and largest number ends with 9. Okay, then answer is 999. 3 digits is not, so 3 nines. Next, fourth one. What is the next number? Next number after 999. What is the next number after 999? That only we call it as a next number. That means the successor we call. Okay. What we can ask like this also. What is the successor of 999? And we can ask in this way also. What is the number comes after 999? What will come? We should add one number to this 999. Not just that only. 999 plus 1. Then what is the answer? 1000. 1000. And it is the largest 3-digit number and it is the smallest 4-digit number. Are you able to understand? This is the greatest and largest 3-digit number and this is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, then fifth one. What is the smallest 4-digit number? What is the smallest 4 number? What is the smallest 4 number? That is 1000. That is 1000. Sixth one. What is the largest 4-digit number? What is the largest 4-digit number? What is the largest four-digit number? We know that the largest number ends with 9. Okay? 9,999. Then next, seventh one. What is the value? What is the value when we add one is added to largest three-digit number. Largest three-digit number. What is the largest three-digit number? 999. We know that. And if we add 1 to this, what we will get? We will add. Then we will get 1000. It is the smallest, largest three-digit number, and it is the smallest four-digit number we will get. Okay, next. The remaining sums in this revision exercise we will do in the next class. Thank you, children.